Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Oria car vacuum cleaner. So it's got the DC 12 volt connection to be powered in your car, model number OHA60. Here's how it comes packaged to you. Looks really nice, clean, compact. It's got their logo. It's actually got a carrying handle right there too. So once you open up, you can probably reuse this to kind of shuttle the vacuum cleaner around, or maybe keep it in your trunk or wherever you want to store it in your garage. Oria did send me this product to review on the channel, but all findings and opinions are my own. So they sent me this to review, but I'll be happy to report honestly with you whatever we think about it. And my wife's car is really dirty, so I will have to go out there at some point and vacuum clean it, or maybe she'll do it. So it doesn't look bad to me. I like the size already. It's cool that it says it's a wet dry vacuum cleaner. Not sure when I'd have a bunch of water in my car to clean, but something to keep in mind. So I'm going to go ahead, just jump right in and open it up. Wow, so it even it's got a hose and a filter, so already getting impressed. So here's the vacuum hose for it. Here's the filter for it, which is really cool. Here's a little brush head for the vacuum. Nothing special. They could probably have had more bristles here, but hey, it's just a tiny little vacuum, so that's cool. Let's see what else is in the box. Another piece of the vacuum. We'll find out more about that in a minute. Here's the vacuum itself, but last and not least, this is cool. Wow, awesome. Comes with a case. How neat is that? That's pretty cool. So, again, nothing special, but now you can, when you're done, you can keep everything in this nice case in your car, and it's orange, so you should be able to find it if it's in your trunk or anywhere else. So, here is that DC 12 volt power. Really long cable, so I'm excited about that. That's really handy, because if you're going to, clean everything in your car, you want to be able to reach, and you're only going to have more than likely one spot for this. So that's nice. If it's not going to be cordless, at least they gave you a really long cord. Ooh, cool. Oh, this is awesome. Really excited to see that. And at first we got to get the product spec sheet out. Here it is. And that's awesome. Maintenance and repair as well. So you may want to read that and follow it closely. I can already tell they gave us, looks like a spare filter. So this is really nice. This is really cool. Cool vacuum cleaner. We'll have to figure out more of how to use the accessories that came with it. Power switch right there. Push this button and then this comes off. So really, really cool. So that's how you'd be able to swap in a new one of those. Looks like it just comes right out. That's really cool. Pretty light. This is nice. This is really cool. So let's see if I can get this back in. What a cool little vacuum cleaner to use in your car. And now we'll try to dive in a little bit to this to see if we can figure out how to use some of it. Alright, after a little bit of investigating, it looks like this is just an extra attachment you can use with the vacuum cleaner to get certain areas. Just goes right in there. This one as well is an attachment. You can see it actually has a triangle arrow right there. There's no arrow to match up right here, but I can tell this is how it goes in. So that just slides right in. Now you have a hose extension, and I put that little piece at the end. So really nifty that comes with this other stuff. If you need to get some harder to reach areas. Again, for a car vacuum cleaner, this is pretty cool actually. They did a really good job. So I'm impressed. I like that it has a filter in there that you can replace, and that they give you a spare one. So if you suck up a lot of stuff and need to replace that, or you see performance isn't working like it was when you initially got it, they are prepared with some extra ones for you. So what a cool little vacuum cleaner. I like the case too, to put all this stuff in when you're done to keep in your car. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Again, check the link out in my description, and I will see you in the next video.